What not to do Wednesdays. Do not refuse a prepaid maintenance plan. We all know what's on your mind with a high-end luxury car. What's this gonna cost me to upkeep? For a few dollars more per month, you'll pay nothing in the future. With Mercedes-Benz prepaid maintenance, all you have to do is make your payments and enjoy the ride. And decide, the beach, dinner, or just a family ride. Friends, if you drive it, love it, I'll help you take it home and make it your own. If you drive or hope to drive a Mercedes-Benz, smash the like button and subscribe now. Also, don't forget to come see me for a ride in beautiful Glendale, California, driven by Armin.